Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you would like to see my husband give me this cut, then definitely stay tuned. And to all of my new subscribers, don't forget to subscribe, and welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. Okay, so I think he finished the back. Babe, just cut like a little bit right there, like you could see where it's long and short here, right in the back. You want to bring it up to the level of the top. Like guys, if it was up to me, I would listen. The scissors would have been, my hair probably would have been to like this much. Like honestly, like I don't care about like cutting hair because I'm not that fussy type. Because hair goes bad. It gotta go. If it's damaged, if I'm not gonna be able to see my curls, like it gotta go. So if it was up to me, but since my husband, my dead husband, do not want me putting any scissors in my hair and don't want me cutting my hair, but he doesn't understand like the damage. He looks at my hair and he's like, nothing wrong with your hair, but trust me, it's not how it was, and he knows that. He just don't want me to cut it because he likes the length. So all hair gotta cut there. I'm trusting him, guys. Like I'm literally trusting him, and our son is here playing. I'm like so in love with my curls. Like guys, look at the difference with my curls, like compared to this trash in the front. But the reason why I'm not gonna go all the way down is because then it's gonna be uneven. I'm gonna have to cut everything off. But this is gonna be good for now until it grows out, and then I'll just keep clipping and keep clipping. But yeah, let me know if you guys ever had heat damage, because that's the worst thing that can happen, because it just strips your hair and it just makes your hair look dry, brittle, stringy. It's just the worst, and I would rather part with all my hair just so that I can see even just a little inch of curl. Yeah, leave it like this for now. Okay, so we're gonna go to this side. You wanna do the back first? Huh? Wet that baby down. So yeah, this is the length of my hair, guys. But yeah, he does himself. I let him feel as if, you know, he has it under control, because he's actually clipping it, but it's a psychology. Oh my god. Take time, babe. Now, growing up, I always had very thick hair compared to my sister. I would always have thick hair. Actually, my sister, if you guys watch my vlog, my summer vlog, when she visited me here in Florida, she actually did a big chop and actually helped her even it out and cut it. And she was like, no, don't cut so much. I'm like, Tika, you gotta cut off the damage ends, because she was transitioning. She hadn't really, put a perm in her hair for like forever. She was actually in a transition phase, and I just told her, you gotta get rid of it for your hair to grow. And she wanted her natural hair to grow. Her hair is growing so fast now. So yeah, I always say like, just cut it off. If it's damaged, cut it, let it go, just say bye. I'm gonna actually go in again probably in the next 3 months, or when I really look and see how it's going, I'll probably go in and just cut off some more. But he's taking his time, he's detangling. Because I told him, I said, start from the bottom and comb all the way to the top. That's the best way to detangle, guys. Yeah, I have some Camille Rose Coil Maker, and I also have some conditioner, Suave Keratin Smoothing Moisturizing Conditioner in it with the water. So that's what he's spraying in my hair. And the reason why he's spraying it is so that he can see the curls and see where it's damaged, and so that he can, you know where to cut. Like, I don't want anyone messing with my curls. Like, my curls, I love. That's why I missed it. I missed it so much. When I wash my hair and I look in the mirror, I'm like, this is not my hair. This is not how my hair normally is. And for me to get it back that way and to get like my curls, I have to do this. Like, this is just something that I have to do, and it's gonna make me so happy. Like, you guys don't even know. Today is the 21st of July, and I'm gonna mark this date on the calendar when I actually did this, so I have an idea of when. I love my hair in a natural state. Like, you guys would never see me get back my hair, like, you know, perm back my hair. Like, I'm not putting back that stuff in my hair. Chop, 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 chop. So I'm gonna go at the top. Okay, this is a no-no. Like, look at this, guys. Look at them. From right here, it's just damaged hair. But I'm not gonna cut too much off the front. Yeah. Say bye to my hair. Like, my mom, she would not do this. Like, when she came to visit, I told her I was gonna cut my hair. She's like, she looked at me, she's like, you gonna cut your hair? Like, they don't get it. Like, my hair is damaged. Like, I need to cut my hair so that I can. That feels so good. I'm so sorry, guys, if you guys hear like thumbs and like throwing stuff down. It's actually my son. He's playing and he do not want to stay in his room. Like, let him see, babe. You see, look at this, guys. Like, look at this. This is just. So yeah, look at that, guys. Like, look at the straight ends there, and that's all he damaged. Like, if he goes back in my hair, then that's the day when the world ends. But try and get it to match like this side. Like, look at, oh my gosh, like, look at this straight piece. It has a little curl at the end though. Oh, sorry. Is that where do you mix it up? Yeah, mix it up there. Right? And then mix oh my gosh, oh my god, I haven't seen my curls. What's that? I haven't seen my curls. My son is like overpowering me with his voice. Like, I'm loving it so far. Like, you're doing a good job, babe. Like, honestly, you're doing a good job. Like, I'm feeling myself. Like, who's not gonna feel themselves with their natural curls? And they say when a female or when anyone cuts their hair, it's like a new beginning. It's like a new journey. It's a new beginning. It's a start over. It's like starting fresh. So at that point in my life, I think when I big chopped is when just before I got married, I actually had short hair and I had it like swooped, like gelled back to the sides, and like the mohawk going from the front to the back. It was dope. Like, a lot of people always said that, you know what, that hairstyle fit you so much. If only I could do it that, but Mr. Clark would not allow me to. So, you see all this part that's damaged right here, guys, like this part in particular, it's just damaged. It's just crying for help. If you trust your husband enough, guys, then do this. If not, You guys have no idea how I missed my hair like curly like this. Like no idea. No idea. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think. I can do one of those, like, you know, those hair commercials, like you did a good job. Like, who don't like their curls? Like, I don't know, like, but I love my curls. Okay guys, so this is actually the final look of the mini big chop slash, I would say, trim slash cut. So yeah, I'm actually really loving this because I'm actually seeing my curls. Like, I'm just like so happy right now because I've longed to see my curls like this, and I just love it. Like, he did a really good job, guys, and yeah, I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it this far, then that means you've watched the entire video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button right below this video and thumbs up this video, comment and share. Thank you so much guys, and stay tuned. Bye.